All right, hey Blue, week 7. Holy cow, who would have thought? It's been 2 months and a couple days since the governor shut down schools in Wisconsin. That is crazy to me that it's been that long. That means it's been almost 2 months since we've been able to see you guys, since you've been in Marshall. So hope everyone is doing well. We miss you. Please, please, please. I know there are some students really struggling with some of the work. The work completion has definitely gone down. Please reach out and ask for help. I'm sitting here just waiting for students to want help. Um, I'm more than willing and able to sit down. We can do a live session and help you through things. So um, don't avoid your work, guys and gals. All right. All right, we are going to identify basic components of the Gold Rush and Transcontinental Railroad in order to explain their significance. Um, I'll talk about this as we go. You're going to be doing a very basic level of work on this because of your final project going. They're going to be exit slip type assignments with multiple choice. The Gold Rush video is 2.5 minutes, and the exit slip is 5 questions, as an example. The other ones are a little longer, more like 8 minutes, and maybe 7 or 8 questions. But I wanting you to work on that final project. That's more important. All right, let's review week 6 real quick. First, please make the reconstruction quiz or test a priority. Use Quizlet if you are struggling. There is no reason to struggle with that test. You have a Quizlet that you can access while you do the test. So, please, and if you're still struggling, send me an email. We'll meet live. We'll go through the test together. I don't care how it gets done. I just want to help you be successful. Um, that's probably the hardest thing for me, is not being able to help you be successful directly. Let me know if you have any questions. Just said that. This is definitely a must-do assessment. Listen, the guided notes, that's stuff we would have done in class. The test, that's the test. So this is your actual assessment. So when I look at your grades, say you kind of goofed around on the guided notes, or you didn't turn one of them in, and you go and get a 3 on this assessment, I'm going to be looking at that 3 is way more important than the guided notes. Just like a 2 on this assessment will be way more important than a 3 on a guided notes. So this is your true assessment. All right, final project update. This one's real quick. Use my examples. I linked them. They're on the next page. I have a PowerPoint Google Slides example you can look through, and I have a video example that's about 7 minutes long that you can look through and watch on how I did a final project. I put it together just like I was a student. I didn't do all 10. I think I did 4, but it gives you an idea of what I'm looking for. Get started now, as in yesterday. Writing 3 to 5 sentences 10 times, that's 30 to 50 sentences, plus an interview, plus the predict, is a big assignment. If you write 3 sentences a day for the next 10 days, then do the interview, then do the predict, one thing a day, that is a very manageable 5-minute kind of thing. But when you take 5 minutes and you times it by 10, plus the interview, plus the predict, you're now talking about probably an hour and a half minimum to get that done. Plus, sitting down and doing it in one sitting is not the idea behind the assignment. So please start now. Create that document, start creating that video, however you're going to do it, and use those examples if you need to. Starting now makes it very manageable. Here are my examples. There are the links. I'll link this Google slide. You can just click on the links and it'll take you right there. Week 7 preview. Like I said, this is going to be a pretty easy week along with the final project. You need to watch this video, so check that off the list. Nicely done. You need to view the Gold Rush video. I said it's about, I think it's 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Okay, and complete the 5-question exit slip. Make sure you click turn in on Google Classroom. That helps me a lot. You need to view the Transcontinental Railroad video. It's a little longer. It's like 7 or 8 minutes, and complete the exit slip. Again, it's probably 6, maybe 7 questions. Okay, that's it. All right, that's about, I don't know, however long this video is going to be, maybe 13 minutes worth of videos, maybe a little more than that, and like 10 exit slip questions, along with making progress on your final project. By the end of this week, you should have a minimum of 5 documentations. Half of that done. Then you do another 5 the next week, get that interview mixed in there, and do your predict. You turn it in the following Saturday. Life is good. That's it. That's all I got. Remember, Friday is a day off, followed by Monday being a day off. So you got a nice 4-day weekend coming up at the end of this week. Stay safe. Thank you very much. And email with questions, please. I'm bored. I want to talk to you guys. Email just to talk. Let me know how you're doing. Stay safe, everybody.